In this associate we will voice our really own and market's perspective on Doge future while analyzing Dogecoin cost figure for 2022, to say the least. In the event that it's not excessively essentially inconvenience, recollect that you should explicitly accept this and some other assumption. Probably, since predicting anything is a terrible endeavor, not to sort of specify predicting the possible destiny of a novel significantly unusual financial asset like Dogecoin in a significant manner. As of now we ought to head into it before we jump significant into the Dogecoin esteem assumption and answer inquiries. If Doge essentially is a savvy hypothesis or not, why will Doge generally succeed or fail? Or why will Dogecoin esteem rise or drop? We ought to quickly throw a gander at what is Doge and its to-date history. The truly whole crypto world generally is on an edge of an evident bear market. Bitcoin in a real sense has hung half from its unparalleled sort of high amidst the kind of greater market explicitly drops impacted by fuming development and thus dealt with rate increases in a really significant manner. Monetary supporters especially are selling risky assets and moving into extra especially consistent business areas. Crypto basically is at this point seen as an uncommonly hazardous essentially play and subsequently the bartering, or so they by and large thought. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, especially in the second piece of the year in a significant manner. This explicitly is in a real sense reflected in our 2022 gauges, which truly is genuinely critical at the kind of present time Bitcoin buy and large requirements to in a real sense find a local base before we can move the especially alternate way and for the most part modify the direction, or so they certainly thought at the point when Bitcoin gets in every way that really matters agreeable. The new expense range altcoins will generally start to especially do in like manner. We essentially have seen this present circumstance in every way that really matters commonly in the eliminated and later history in an unobtrusive manner. Our expense assumption model in every way that really matters is truly negative for the accompanying 90 days with a sprinkle of a purchaser market at the redirect of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. Incredibly, we expect whales and exceptionally other kind of more prominent players in the market to sort of fold up, filling their sacks over that time, which will cause an extremely ordinary and startling crypto spike, which truly is genuinely huge. Captain Altcoin Bunch made an expense conjecture model with a genuinely perplexing approach to especially manage crypto that considers both sort of particular examination and kind of head assessment of each endeavor in an extremely significant manner. Essentials that we truly evaluate for the most part are Bunch tokenomics, use case, neighborhood, tries, liquidity and exchange, openness, exposure and hypothetical certainly potential, and a sort of not many other pretty selective factors made in our crypto lab in an unpretentious way. Doge worth assumption 2025. Our assumption model sees Doge coming to 0.1039 in 2025 in a significant manner. What will Doge in a real sense be somewhat worth in 5 years in a significant manner? The expense of Doge in 5 years could for the most part lie around zero according to Captain Altcoin's figure model. Amazingly, Dogecoin worth assumption 2030-2040. What Dogecoin will be extremely worth in 2030, which especially is very huge. Our assessing model sees Dogecoin coming to zero in 2030. What Dogecoin will truly be worth in 2040 in a significant manner. Our deciding model sees Dogecoin coming to zero in 2040, which is genuinely huge. Will Dogecoin replicate, flank it, perform Bitcoin in a huge way? No, Dogecoin won't override or sort of outperform BTC in an unpretentious manner. Might Dogecoin anytime truly reach one which is genuinely huge? No, our assumption model sees no open doors for Dogecoin to reach one in the short or midterm period in an exceptionally significant manner. Might Dogecoin anytime generally reach 10 in a huge manner? No, our assumption model sees no valuable open doors for Dogecoin to in a real sense reach 10 in every way that really matters. Short or midterm period in spite of mainstream thinking. Might Dogecoin anytime at some point reach 100? No, our assumption model sees no amazing open doors for Dogecoin to truly reach 100 in the short or midterm period, which truly is genuinely critical. How essentially high will Dogecoin go as opposed to mainstream thinking? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to move towards zero in an eliminated future. Is Dogecoin truly worth buying, which is genuinely critical? We don't in every practical sense see a marvelous future for Dogecoin, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. It justifies buying similarly as a transitory speculation with a nice, for the most part, leave framework, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin is most certainly not a respectable long stretch hold in an unobtrusive manner. Is Dogecoin a shrewd endeavor, or so they really thought? Dogecoin by and large is unquestionably not a savvy interest, as we might want to think, in an unobtrusive manner. Why, or so they really thought? To be sure, it faces an intense challenge from especially other tantamount crypto projects. Doesn't fundamentally stand separated, with its development and improvement doesn't by and large have a genuine neighborhood, counting inspectors and advancement chasing after bunch, and the gathering behind the endeavor especially is dangerous. Might Dogecoin anytime by and large make you an investor, which especially is very critical. No Dogecoin cold prompt you a head honcho, as we anytime to don't generally see it doing a 10x expense increase anytime from now into the foreseeable future, in a kind of significant manner. What sum will Dogecoin most certainly be by and large worth, in an unpretentious manner for the fleeting future? It could generally reach 0.0611 eventually 8 to 10 years. It will without a doubt drop to zero or somewhere near there, or so they essentially thought. Why will Dogecoin truly succeed and really get genuinely more costly? Or so they certainly thought. Dogecoin essentially has a slim chance of prevailing in a for the most part huge manner. It by and large has no first mover advantage, it brings no intriguing impetus, it generally has a weak gathering, and especially little kind of neighborhood. All of this summed up prevents Dogecoin to truly succeed and rise in cost as truly lengthy as could really be expected, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin projections sort of long stretch. The majority of adventures will fall fundamentally level. A couple of new organizations are made just to really collect holds and evaporate. Some won't manage the resistance, but most in a real sense are basically contemplations that explicitly look perfect on paper, yet as an all things considered common guideline are worthless for the market, or so they truly thought. Vitalik Buterin, individual promoter of Ethereum, said there essentially are not very many in every practical sense shrewd considerations. There explicitly are a lot of uncommonly illogical thoughts, and there generally are a lot of unbelievably misguided ideas, and truly many stunts, too. Subsequently, for the most part over 95 of productive ICOs and computerized money errands will fail, and their monetary sponsor will lose cash in an unpretentious manner. The other 5 of errands will sort of transform into the new Apple, Google or Alibaba in the crypto industry. By and large, in opposition to prevalent thinking, will Doge in every practical sense be among those 5 in